A horrific crash that claimed the lives of 45 Botswana nationals at the Mamatlakala Bridge between Mokopane and Marken last Thursday. Preliminary investigations indicate that the bus plunged off the bridge and caught fire, killing most of its occupants with the exception of an 80-year-old girl. Phaahla and Ramathuba visited the Mokopane Hospital where she's being treated. They say the girl is responding well to treatment following a minor surgery and is likely to be discharged soon.
The child is doing well. She's in good spirit. She was able to interact with us. She was able to tell the minister that she's in grade 4 and she would want to become a doctor one day. So for me and the minister to hear that, it was music in our ears, and we are happy with the progress that she has made. Of course, as you would understand that especially her psychologist and her surgeon says they would just want some time just to make sure that when they hand over her to the Department of Health in Botswana, she is in that condition that all of us are happy and satisfied.
Phaahla has reiterated calls for the survivor's family to be given space to process the impact the crash has had on them.
The mother is also quite traumatized. We went to see them, and I just want to add on what the MEC have said, that it's not really disrespect to yourselves as the members of the media. You all should imagine, just take it as something which happens in your own family. You would really want to have as much privacy for quite some time until when you feel that you're psychologically ready.
He says it will take a lengthy period to finalize the identification of most of the deceased whose bodies had been burnt beyond recognition. 33
bodies which must still be properly, they try everything to organize and do the various forms of testing. The X-ray tests have already been done, but that's just the first part. But the more difficult part, of course, is now taking tissue samples, making sure that those tissues can then be subjected to the DNA testing, but also matching the DNA findings with those of possible relatives.
The deceased were traveling to the St. Agnes Zion Christian Church for the Easter conference. Piman Baloi, SABC News, Mokopane.